What's up with YouTube? We are back with another video. This time I'm on my GoPro and I got Roxy and Remi in the background over there. Munchy, Itchy and Scratchy, come here. Say what up to the camera. I don't know. I wonder what I'm gonna do today. All right, let me see. I got it on Roxy's back right now, and then I'm gonna put it on Remi's later. But come here, Roxy. You gotta be still so I can talk to the GoPro. But we're gonna see what they look like going through the dog park and stuff. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy this. Have fun. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come here, Rox. Move, sit. Sit and wait. Sit.
Is his name Roxy?
Go ahead.
Hey! Come on! Rem!
Hey. Here, Rox. Thank you. All right, go play.
Hey!
All right, go ahead.
Rock. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Good job. There's not really too many dogs out here today, huh? Come on, let's get out of here. Go, Ren.
Go. See that ball? Yeah.
Let me get that. Let me get that ball right there. Thank you. You ready? All right. Let me get that ball, Rem. Give me that ball. Give me the ball. Let me see it. That's it. Give me the ball. Damn it. Okay. Hey, bro, go get the ball. Crazy. Leave it. Come on, Rox. Sit. Ah! Thank you. Here, bro. Somebody got to get their dogs. Oh, that dog cool as hell right here. Rem, stay by me. Here, Remi. Thank you. Here, sit. Wait, sit down. Sit down, pay attention. Sit. Everybody, good job. How you doing? What's your name? Yeah.
Treats, you got a new friend.
I can give. I'll give
Yeah,
one.
sure.
Okay.
Her name is Snowy. Snowy.
Snow. There you go. Good.
There you go. You were better than that.
Here. Sit.
Snowy.
There you go.
She's an only dog, so she's not too good with.
She got it. She got it. Shake.
Huh.
What do you say for shake, Paul?
We really don't do shake. That's why we never bother. What we usually do is, you know,
Okay,
treat in the
sit.
hand. This is sit, and then we make her touch. We say touch, and she'll, hey.
Yeah.
Then she'll reach up and like
There you go.
touch her nose to you.
Okay. Nice. Punch. There they go. Come on.